How to make AI read text on TikTok 2024. In this video, I'm going to be quickly skimming through on how you can make any type of AI read any type of text that you want on TikTok in 2024. So the software that you're going to be using for this is obviously going to be an AI software called Countic. Now, you're going to come over to countic.com and you're going to go to its TikTok voice generator. And over here, you can see transform text into TikTok voices using the text-to-speech technology, easily downloadable from your browser or mobile phone. Simply type or paste your text. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to choose your style. So I'm going to go with the English US, and you're going to choose what voice you want to go with. So let's go with something fun. Let's go with male Deadpool. Now you're going to type your text like, "Hi, I will be jumping from 300 meters." Okay, you're going to write something like that. And now what you're going to do is you're simply going to click on generate, and let's play and see how it sounds.
Hi, I will be jumping from 300 meters.
So you can see that is how the AI works. And what you're going to do simply from here is download it and add it to any TikTok audio that you want to use. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.